Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 14th June 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, each of you has now received a third eye of knowledge. Therefore, your vision should no longer be drawn to anything. Question. What are the signs of those who have unlimited disinterest in this old world? Answer. They offer everything they have to the Father. They consider nothing to belong to them. They say, Baba, even this body doesn't belong to me. This is an old body and I have to discard it. Their attachment to everything continues to break and they destroy all attachment. It remains in their intellects that everything of this world is limited and of no use. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Have unlimited disinterest in this old world and offer everything you have to the Father. Nothing belongs to me. Even this body doesn't belong to me. Break your attachment to it and become a destroyer of attachment. Number 2. Never make a mistake through which your register would become spoiled. Imbibe all the divine virtues. There should not be the slightest trace of anger in you. Blessing for today. May you be a knowledgeable soul and make your speaking, thinking and doing, all three, equal. Details are: the time for going into the stage of retirement is now coming close. Therefore, finish your weaknesses, any consciousness of mine, and wasteful games and let your speaking, thinking and doing become equal. You will then become an embodiment of this knowledge. Every act, sanskar, virtue and duty of those who are knowledgeable souls and embodiments of knowledge would be powerful, like those of the fathers. Such souls cannot play silly, wasteful games. They would keep themselves constantly busy playing godly games. They are constantly celebrating a meeting with the Father and making others equal to the Father. Slogan is, enthusiasm for doing service merges all trivial illnesses. Therefore, remain constantly busy in doing service. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness, be introverted. Introversion means to have silence of the mouth and of the mind. People of the world also observe silence of the mouth, but here, you have to have silence of the mind by abstaining from waste thoughts. When you have traffic control, you control the traffic of waste. In the same way, every now and then, have traffic control of the waste in your mind.